This illustration deals with maintenance and use in accordance with NFPA 70E 130.7C7C. Now, the purpose of the change, as you see here, it's a new NFPA 70E table 130.7C7A, and it was accepted pertaining to the maximum use of voltage and rubber insulated gloves and sleeves. Now, this individual racking out a CB, notice they do have on the gloves and sleeves. Now the gloves are talked about and detailed in 130.7C7 on page 30, 130.7G on page 39, 130.7C14 on page 34. But now when we get into learning more about the sleeves and detailed information, 130.7C, say page 30, and we're talking about 130.7C7, 130.7G, page 39, 130.7C14, page 34. And then, of course, we can also learn more about the sleeves by reviewing 130.7C10D is in dog on page 32. And then, of course, the illustration suggests that you review very carefully 70E 130.7C7A. Now, basically, when you deal with gloves, heavy-duty gloves are usually, and I'm talking about heavy-duty leather gloves with a liner, is usually used up to around 10 calories per centimeter squared. And then after that, based upon the task, you get into your gloves and rubber gloves, leather protectors, and your sleeves. Now, this section is just basically dealing with rubber type gloves and insulators and things of that nature that we would use, and the table gives the rating and so forth for your review. And that's what this maintenance and use section is all about.